Hi everyone, in today's video we will do some breath practice together. आज की वीडियो में हम साथ में कुछ breath practice करेंगे. So roll out your mat, get in a comfortable position like सुखासन और वज्रासन, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे 5 से 10 मिनट प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. तो जो भी कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन है आपके लिए, वज्रासन, सुखासन, वो चूज़ करके आप मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. दोनों हाथों को चिन मुद्रा में रखेंगे नीज के ऊपर एंड वी विल क्लोज आवर आइज, keeping the spine tall, chest up, chin parallel to the floor. We will start the practice. Inhale, exhale. We will take a couple of deep breaths here to begin with. Inhale, exhale. One more breath like this. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. We will do some energizing practice, which is Kapalbhati. So you can place the hand on your stomach if that feels comfortable, or you can keep it as it is on top of your knees in Chin Mudra. Keeping the eyes closed, we will take a deep breath in and we will begin the strokes. We will do 3 rounds of Kapalbhati and we will start with 30 strokes. The first round will be of 30 strokes and 15 seconds of retention. हम 30 strokes लेंगे और 15 सेकेंड सांस को उसके बाद रोकेंगे. Let's start. Inhale, take a deep breath in and we start. Exhale all the air out. सांस को बाहर छोड़ेंगे. Inhale again and exhale. नेक्स्ट इनहेलेशन में हम लंग्स की 3/4 कैपेसिटी यूज़ करके श्वास को अंदर लेंगे और श्वास को 15 सेकेंड के लिए रोकेंगे. Inhale 3/4 कैपेसिटी ऑफ योर लंग एंड होल्ड. यहाँ पे हम मन को शांत करने की कोशिश करेंगे, कॉन्सेंट्रेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. यू कैन टेक द नेम ऑफ योर गुरु, chant here, just try to focus and have less distraction. Exhale. We will do second round. Take another deep breath in to begin the round and we begin. Exhale all the air out, empty your lungs here. Take a deep breath in and exhale. We'll hold again for 15 seconds. Inhale 3/4 capacity of your lungs and hold. श्वास को यहाँ 15 सेकेंड के लिए रोकेंगे. Five more seconds. And exhale. लास्ट राउंड के लिए हम 50 स्ट्रोक्स करेंगे and we will hold the breath for 25 seconds. Inhale and we begin the round. Exhale all the air out. Empty your lungs here. श्वास को बाहर छोड़ेंगे. We will take another breath in. Exhale. Inhale 3/4 capacity of your lungs and we will retain the breath for 25 seconds. श्वास को अंदर लेंगे और 25 सेकंड के लिए उसको होल्ड करेंगे. Inhale and hold. Try to maintain your thoughts. Try to just witness your thoughts and not react here. We are here for 7 more seconds. Try keeping your back straight here. Exhale. And we are done with Kapalbhati. We will move forward with box breathing here, which is the second practice of today's breath work. For box breathing, we will sit in the same position, keeping the eyes closed. We will inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and again hold for 4. To start, we will start the first round. Inhale, hold, exhale, and hold again. One more round. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold again. For the last round, we will increase the count to 6. Inhale for 6. Hold for 6. Exhale for 6. And hold again for 6. And release. You can choose to modify the count of strokes or modify the counts of seconds that you hold in box breathing, depending on what practice works for you. That's it for today's practice. I hope you find this video helpful and do consider subscribing and liking this video if you enjoyed the video. Keep practicing. See you. Bye.